welcome. Today we are here. We've got to deliver a wedding cake, but I wanted to show you this little cake that I made for my daughter. She just hit 100 subscribers. I'll put her link down in the description box, but she's more of a commentary channel. I think we all know those people that always want to give advice, whether it's your aunt, uncle, mom, dad, little brother, big sister, big brother, little sister, coworker, friend of a friend. These people always seem like they have an opinion and they want to share it with you. Sometimes it comes from a good place, they care, they want to help, but other times it feels more like judgment wrapped in a suggestion. They say, here's what I would do. You should just, if I were you. The truth is, most people give advice based on their life, their fears, and their perspective, not yours. They're not in your shoes, and they don't always know the full story. It's okay to listen. It's okay to say thank you, but it's also okay to trust yourself. You're allowed to make your own choices, even if they don't make sense to anyone. So the thing that I have done whenever the noise gets loud is that I lean into prayer. I don't really lean into the pressure, because whenever I do, I end up getting upset and, maybe not saying the best things. Let God be your compass, because He sees the whole picture, even when others only see a piece. As I've gotten older, I have noticed that you don't know what you don't know until you're in that situation. And, I have learned as I've gotten older and experienced different things that I have not experienced before. With this business, it's very stressful, and a lot of people don't see everything that goes on behind the scenes. And I will tell you, there's been times where I've been like, I need a break. And I've been doing this for a long time. And I've noticed as I'm getting older that it's just, the stress is really wearing on me. So, and what I would have thought, 4 or 5 years ago, I don't think now. So anyways, all I'm saying is that, advice is great. A lot of people want to share their advice, and I'm sure it's always for the best. I don't think anybody's sharing advice because they're trying to, maybe they do want to give you bad advice, but I've never really gotten bad advice. It's just sometimes advice, you just have to live through that moment, and it might take you a little bit. Only you know what God is teaching you in that moment, and sometimes you have to sit with discomfort, pray through the confusion, and grow through the silence, because the lessons that stick the deepest come from what you lived, not what someone else suggests. So take a breath. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. Let the season shape you, let it teach you. And when you look back, you'll see God wasn't just getting you through it, He was growing you through it. Keep going, you're not behind, you're becoming. Thanks so much for watching and spending this time with me. If anything I said today resonated with you, I hope you take a moment to really sit with it. We're all trying to figure life out one season at a time, and it's okay to not have all the answers right now. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up and subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. You're doing better than you think.